Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Brittany, aka Brittsmiley, and today you guys are going to be coming with me on a journey of me transforming into, you know, hot girl fall, fat girl fall. Okay, this is a full transformation from the wig color to laying it to my makeup look from the James Charles mini palette. Everything is in this video. I hope you guys enjoy this. I love doing transformations like this because normally I look like a complete bum. 98% of the time I look like a bum, but then sometimes when I try I can look pretty cute, I think, if I do say so myself. This was my first time trying color. If you guys want me to try more colors, definitely let me know after doing this. I'm more excited now to try color. I was really afraid since, you know, I'm dark skinned. But yeah, everything, this whole makeup routine, everything is in this video. So if you guys want to watch me transform from this, which you saw in the thumbnail, to this, then keep on watching till the end. But before we can continue, I hope you would take the time to subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and comment down below other videos you'd like to see. Also comment down other things you'd like me to do on my channel, talk about on my channel, how your day's going. Just comment down below and let me know what your mind's on, and maybe we can have a conversation down in the comment section. Also, don't forget to follow me on all my social media. Stalk your girl. It's pretty lit on my side. I hope you would take the time to join the family and subscribe, like I said, and turn on those notification bells. But let's get into the video.
The feeling, I hope that you love me like I love you, because I think that we can make this last forever, but I'm scared to go too far with this. I need your love, don't wanna.
Hey guys, so I'm filming this intro because I'm either going to the Young Thug concert or I'm going on a date. I don't know what's going on right now in my life. But I'm about to get my eyebrows threaded or waxed. I don't know yet. I'm gonna see when I go in there. And then I kind of want to just get them waxed, call it a day. I have a pimple and I popped it, but now I think it's trying to. So, and I'm also gonna get my nails done. This is essentially gonna be a transformation because I look a hot mess. This isn't even my hair. I have this wig that I made the other day. Well, I dyed the other day. The wig's been made and I'm gonna cut it. So we're gonna see, but I had to film, you know, my little intro, but we're going. She told me about 30 minutes for my nails to get done. So I'm gonna go get a wax. I was gonna leave, but I'm just gonna go get a wax for my eyebrows and stuff. But yeah, I just wanted to include you guys in
Make I put one hand for fire, fire, fire burning. I go put hand for fire.
Baby girl, you bad. Girl, the way you whine, I dey mad about you, girl. I dey mad about you, girl. Say you are my.
Hey guys. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Brittany, aka Brittsmiley. Obviously I look crazy, bro. Like, I look like I didn't even wash my face, which I didn't. I had to. I'm filming this 100% like 0 to 100 transformation. I already got my nails done and I got my eyebrows done. So those are the two things. I was looking real raggedy, you know, like I was looking, yeah. But yeah, so I'm about to do like a whole self-care Sunday transformation. I went to Target. I got eye mask. I got new sponges. I got teeth whitener. And I'm about to deep condition my hair because it looks crazy. Oh my, I've never done color before, like for real, I've never done color. And I got this wig, y'all. This transformation is about to be it. Okay, so if you fucking with your girl, if you want to subscribe to the channel, I already know you do, so make sure you subscribe to the channel, wherever it is. I think it's down here. Like up this video and comment down below what was your favorite part, what was the funniest part, anything. Just make sure you're commenting down below. It really helps me out when you guys comment and like up this video. It gets it to like be pushed out more so that more people can join the family. But for the people that are here, I'm thankful that you're here. I love you and I hope you decide to stay. But yeah, like I said, I'm about to do a whole lot. I'm gonna start with my hair first. And for my hair, I got this 3-Minute Miracle Moist Deep Conditioner with avocado and Australian jojoba oil from Aussie. It smells so good. It's essentially like a pump, like you just squeeze it and it comes out right here. I took the sticker off already. I haven't used it yet, but I'm gonna be using it today. I'm gonna be truly washing my hair. I got a new wide tooth comb because I needed one. So yeah, you guys are, I'm gonna go off camera and go wash my hair. When I come back, I'm gonna be doing my eye mask and whitening my teeth. So yeah, let's get to it. I have a bunch of new makeup. I have a new outfit. Like, this is a whole transformation into fall, ready for hot girl fall. Okay, fat girl fall. We ready. We here. Okay, baby. Period. Stay tuned for us. Okay. Oh, my nose is stuffy from my shower, but I'm back. My hair is deep conditioning up under here, so y'all don't need to be seen with that. This is the
Joanna, how you do me like Joanna? Joanna,
Distance between our bodies. Make me feel like I want you.
oh, okay, so I don't use the light. Oh, it's turning white. I don't use the light until the last 5 minutes. Doesn't. It's like turning white and bubbly. It doesn't really have a taste. It does have a taste like baking soda almost. This is so weird. I was waiting on the day I got my braces off because I really wanted to do this so bad. Hydrate my under eyes, babies. Hydrate them because they were looking raw. Okay.
Like your waist in particular, oh yeah, particular.
calling for you.
Hey guys, so I'm back. I laid my hair. This is such a different color for me. Oh my god, I can't wait till you guys see like the finish. But I might insert some of the clips from that hair video, from me dyeing this hair, or I might just make it its own video. I don't really know yet, but I'm obsessed right now. But obviously, what is a transformation video without makeup? So I'm just gonna clip my hair back, even though it's tied back. I just want to ensure nothing gets in my way. So yeah, my face is all washed and clean, and I just wiped it with a baby wipe. That's what I normally do before I start my makeup. And today I'm probably gonna fast forward through most of this because most of this is my normal routine. This isn't a get ready with me, it's a transformation. So yeah, but you guys know what primer I use. I've been using it for my past couple of videos. If you've missed those, definitely check them out. Okay, I'll also have everything down in the description box. Hopefully, if I remember. If I don't, please remind me down in the comments. Okay, so while that tacks up my face, I'm going to start my brows. One in red, one in brown. I got this glitter shadows. I think these are, it says palette glitter. I think these are pressed pigments, not tested on animals. Woo woo. I re-upped on our everybody's fave, Black Radiance. I got a new Sonia Kashuk sponge. And I think that's it as far as makeup for new stuff. Oh, and I got another butter gloss. This one is in tiramisu. So yeah, let's get to getting in this makeup look.
You is falling, banana fall on you is falling, Randa fall on you is falling, because I'm in love with you, yeah.
I said I wanna give you what I'm feeling here, yeah. Give you love, wanna these days. I know the first time I saw you there. Give you love one of these days. I like you, girl, in particular. You in particular, yeah. I like your waist in particular. Oh yeah, particular.
Calling for you, calling you by the waistline. Calling my love, oh, calling you by the waistline. You know I've been calling, you don't wanna answer me. You know I've been calling, you don't wanna answer me.
You say you want me love to the baseline, oh. You tell me say you don't want waste time, oh. Oh, you say you wanna take control, yeah, yeah. Hey, you really wanna take control, yeah, yeah. Oh, you really wanna say, yeah.
Joanna, your biz
Make me feel like I want ya, girl, I feel like I want ya.
Why you gon' do it like that? Why you gon' keep that thing from me? Why you gon' do it like that? Why you gon' act like you don't know? Baby, don't do it like that. Girl, come feed me, don't be stingy. Why you gon' do it like that? Why you gon' do it like that?
Oh baby, pour me water, holy water, quench this fire.
Okay, so I just finished my base, including my concealer. I'm about to add another layer under my eyes just to make it pop a little bit more. I'm trying to see if I have a lighter one.
Sorry, gotta give it to her like we ain't no marriage. Bend it,
Just bend it. Break your back like you're doing a workout. Oh, bend it. Now she's doing the yoga. Now she's doing the yoga. Now she's doing the yoga. Shawty's taking me over. Now she's doing the hoopin'. Now she's doing the hoopin'. Now she's doing the
coupe,
Now she's doing the
coupe.
Make I put one hand for fire, fire burning. I go put hand for fire.
Baby girl, you bad. Girl, the way you whine, I dey mad about you, girl. I dey mad about you, girl. Say you are my woman, my superwoman. I dey mad about you, girl. I dey mad about you, girl.
If I tell you that I love you, oh, Versace and Gucci for your body, oh baby. No do, money fall on you, it's falling. Banana fall on you, it's falling. Randa fall on you, it's falling. Because I'm in love with you, yeah.
I said I wanna give you what I'm feeling here, yeah. Give you love one of these days. I know the first time I saw you there. Give you love one of these days. I like you, girl, in particular. You in particular, yeah. I like your waist in particular. Oh yeah, particular.
Calling for you, calling you by the waistline. Calling my love, oh, calling you by the waistline. You know I've been calling, you don't wanna answer me. You know I've been calling, you don't wanna answer me.
You say you want me love to the baseline, oh. You tell me say you don't want waste time, oh. Oh, you say you wanna take control,
Yeah, yeah.
Hey, you really wanna take control,
Busy bodies giving me life, oh, and life, eh. How you do me like Joanna,
quench this fire.
Et si ma voix peut t'apaiser, je chanterai pour toi toute la nuit. Je t'entends dire à tes pingocho et je peux plus me passer de lui. Et tout va glisser sur ta peau.
So that was the end of the video. This is the final outcome. I didn't even end up doing my hair. I just left it the way it was. Bitchy girl did color on my eyes and on my hair. I cut up this top that I had from Boohoo because it wasn't fitting the way I wanted it to. And now it's like perfectly fall wintry vibes. You know, oversized sweater, whatnot. I'm really in love with this hair color and this makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this transformation going into hot girl fall, fat girl fall. We gonna fuck it up this fall, okay? Nobody gonna be able to tell us nothing, okay? On my mama, on my daddy, on everybody. You can't tell me nothing, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on those notification bells so you get to see all my posts and don't miss anything, even when YouTube is tripping. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you got something out of it. I hope it gave you some inspiration for how you're gonna fuck up this fall and let everybody know you that bitch, okay? My name's Brittany, aka Brittsmileybusiness. Stay beautiful, my loves.